Elevate your expertise and safety with Interstate Heavy Equipment's exclusive guide on operating boom lifts. Whether you're a novice or seasoned operator, our step-by-step manual ensures you navigate the skies securely. Why trust Interstate Heavy Equipment? Number 1, experienced instructors. Learn from industry experts with a wealth of knowledge in boom lift operations. Number 2, comprehensive guidance. Master the art of maneuvering from controls to advanced techniques. Number 3, hands-on simulations. Put theory into practice with practical training sessions. Number 4, safety first. Prioritize safety with our thorough guide to ensure accident-free operations. What you will uncover: boom lift controls and functions, safe ascension and descent protocols, maneuvering in confined spaces, emergency procedures for unforeseen situations. Visit our website, interstateheavyequipment.com. Contact us now to soar safely with boom lifts. 469-370-7501. Elevate your skills and safety standards with Interstate Heavy Equipment, where expertise meets altitude.